Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. I'm Jay and today I'm going to show you how to remove the engine cover on an Equinox. Now this particular Equinox is a 2007. They use the same motor for a few years, so to know if this tutorial is going to show you how to remove yours, if your engine looks like this is how to remove the engine cover. I do know for a fact 2008 is the same as the 2007 because I have taken one off of that off of 2008 as well. But I have seen, I mean, they use this motor for a few years. So with that, this is if you go, you're pulling it, looking, there's no screws, no bolts. How does this come off? And you take your oil fill off, your oil fill cap off, and you see, well, that's keeping it from coming off too. What do I do? Well, all right. First thing, we need to take the plug off the EGR because we need to have that out of the way to get this off. So you push that back, pull that back. Then usually it likes to hang up a little, so I just got a little pick, and I can push up on that tab a little and slide it right off. And right here on the air box, you kind of give it a little push and it'll stay right in there. Now, this is the hard part. Twist your cap until it's all the way open. But instead of pulling it off, leave it on there, have it all the way open, and get a good grip on it and twist it, and it should do about almost a one turn, and that will come out. Now, I do recommend before you do this, undo this, take and blow with, use your air compressor and some air and blow all the gunk out of there. If you don't have access to an air compressor, at least take a vacuum cleaner. Try to suck as much as you can out of there because you don't want the gunk getting down in your engine. Now, while you have this off, it is a good idea to clean that seal up. And before I reassemble this, I will put a little bit of oil on there. It'll help it seal better. Actually, there isn't really enough residue in the fill tube itself, but I'll put some oil on that. Just make sure you clean it off good. Now, an even harder part. There are no bolts. There are two little clips on this that go to pins, and you'll see in a second. Just grab it firmly in the back on both sides and just give it a little tug, and it'll come off. As you can see, those are those two little right there and there, and then this is just a rubber piece that rests on there. That is all there is to it. Now you have access if you need to change your EGR valve, if you need to get to the cruise control. That's here. You need to get to the coil pack, or you're replacing the alternator, getting to the spark plugs. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that taking the cover off will allow you to get to that you can fix yourself. So, all right, just be warned. I have actually seen, it wasn't on this particular vehicle, but another one that was similar, removing it. It had clips similar to this, and it did break. There always is a possibility. So if yours breaks, well, just be warned. There is a possibility that could happen. Installation is just reverse. You'll kind of feel when it's on there. You give it a good push, it'll snap on. I'll come back out and put some oil on this after I'm done filming, but then you just put that in and twist as you're tightening the cap, and you'll feel. Give it a tug, make sure it's on there. Oil cap's closed. Take your plug to the EGR, push that all the way on. Actually, while you have this off, it is a good idea, and I did just already do it, but put a little fresh dielectric grease in there. It makes the connection a little better and keeps it from corroding. So, all right. That's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. So, all right, well, I hope you have a great day, and, well, have fun working on your Equinox.